So today we're going to discuss how to replace or upgrade a solid-state drive on a Dell computer. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up. First, I'm showing you how to remove all the screws in the bottom panel. A lot of Dells nowadays just have one large bottom panel that you can remove in order to get to your solid-state drive. If you find that you have a door, a lot of times you remove that. If it's just like a small door, not the whole panel. You can sometimes have an easy access panel like that. If you have the solid-state drive that's more the size of a hard drive, then check out our hard drive replacement video. Alright, so as you can see, I'm taking a pry tool. I've inserted it in between the two panels and I'm wiggling and pulling up on the panel. And then it usually just pops right off like so. Pretty easy. Okay, now we're inside the computer. Now, first thing you do is unplug your battery, and you should have your computer already unplugged at this point because we don't want any power running to that motherboard. That way if you drop anything like a metal tool on it, you won't fry it. So it's important. Alright, so here's your solid state drive. That's what it looks like. Take that screw, unscrew it, and then gently slide it out. It's that simple. And once again, this is an M.2 solid state drive. This is what it looks like in case you need to order another one. And here we go. We'll take our new one, insert it gently in, take that screw, and screw it back in. And it's just that simple. I would say this kind of solid state drive replacement is one of the easier things to do. Alright, you go ahead and slide your battery cable back in. And now we're going to put that panel back on. But I have to zoom out first. Much better. Okay, go ahead and put that panel back on. Alright, look at that. I'm done.